Welcome back to the Nbn webinar series. Module 3 focuses on Nbn technology. What are the different Nbn technologies and how do they work? Due to the nature and size of Nbn, the Nbn plans to use a mix of technologies to deliver the Nbn, using best fit solutions for each area, which is referred to as the multi-technology mix. ACN will offer the following technology types: fibre-to-the-premises, fixed wireless, coming soon, fibre-to-the-node and fibre-to-the-building, and later this year, hybrid fibre coaxial. So how does Nbn fibre-to-the-premises work? Fibre optic cable technology will replace some of the existing copper wire and HFC networks which use electricity to transfer data to run telecommunications services in Australia. The fibre will run to the premises from the exchange, as you can see in the diagram. Inside the customer's premises, some Nbn fibre-to-the-premises equipment is required. The Nbn utility box is installed outside the premises and connects to the inside via a fibre wall outlet. The Nbn connection box is connected to the fibre wall outlet, and this box is where you or your customer can connect the ACN router. If you or your customer have a voice service, you can also connect the ACN ATA or analog telephone adapter to the ACN router. So how does Nbn fixed wireless work? Fixed wireless technology can transmit data at fast speeds using radio signals instead of cables. This technology uses fixed transmission towers or base stations to communicate over the air with Nbn supplied equipment within the home or business. As you can see in the diagram, line of sight from the tower to the equipment at the home or business is essential. Inside the home or at the premises, an antenna is required. The antenna will be fixed to the roof or exterior guttering of a customer premises. Inside, the antenna is connected via a wall outlet to connect to the Nbn connection box. Again, this is where you or your customer can connect their ACN router and the analog telephone adapter or ACN ATA for voice services. How will Nbn fibre-to-the-node work? Fibre-to-the-node uses a mix of technology to deliver the Nbn to a customer premises. Fibre from the exchange is delivered to a node in the street, where it meets up with the existing copper infrastructure. This existing infrastructure is then used to deliver the Nbn service to the customer premises. Fibre-to-the-basement technology or building is similar to fibre-to-the-node technology. However, instead of delivering fibre to a node in the street, the fibre is connected all the way to a building or basement of a building, where it meets up with the existing copper infrastructure to provide Nbn to each unit in the building. And what are Nbn service classes? An Nbn service class is how we determine which Nbn technology has been assigned to a customer premises and the time frame it should take to get connected to the Nbn. When we check the availability of Nbn for a specific customer address, we can see which service class they have and determine the Nbn technology, approximate connection time frame, and whether an Nbn technician appointment is required. Nbn equipment is varied depending on the type of technology that's connected. As the previous diagrams have displayed, some technology requires Nbn equipment to be installed in addition to the ACN supplied router and ATA for voice services. The Nbn equipment differs depending on the access technology available to the customer. And that's a wrap for this Nbn module. Please join us again for our next instalment in our Nbn webinar series.